we'll guide you through how to create a Figma wireframe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the New Design button to create a fresh canvas. Now, let's start by setting up a frame. On the toolbar at the bottom, click on the Frame tool, which looks like a square. You can choose a preset size from the panel on the right, like desktop, iPhone, or custom, depending on your project's requirements. After selecting the size, click and drag on your canvas to create the frame. Now you're ready to start adding elements. Use the Rectangle tool or Text tool from the toolbar to add placeholders for images, text, and buttons. You can adjust the sizes and positions by clicking and dragging the edges. If you need a more precise placement, use the alignment tools. To create a consistent design, consider using components. You can convert any element into a component by right-clicking it and selecting Create Component. This allows you to reuse the element throughout your wireframe without having to recreate it each time. As you work, make use of the Layers panel on the left to organize your elements. Naming your layers can help keep everything tidy and easy to manage. Once your wireframe is taking shape, take advantage of Figma's collaboration features by sharing your file with team members. Click the Share button at the top right corner, enter their email addresses, and set their permissions. This way, they can view or edit your wireframe in real time. Lastly, don't forget to frequently save your progress by clicking on File in the top menu and selecting Save to ensure all your hard work is preserved. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.